Hello, good morning today. It's a very cloudy day today, and I plan to clean in the garden. Oh no, the rabbit is here again, but it ran. And just wanted to show my beautiful coneflowers at the back. And the tiger lilies, the buds are coloring up. See, they're getting to be orange. And the only red Asiatic lily left has bloomed, has opened up, and my gladiolus also has opened up. Okay, so I plan to clean, clean today. Pick up the grass, uh, grass cuttings left from my husband's mowing yesterday. So beautiful flowers. So going out in front front garden and the my background there, and background. The rest of our, what do you call that, the mulch, just a little bit. Okay, and I will show you the ones that I need to clean up. So I need to clean those mounds of grass, and I have to deadhead this Asiatic lily. Most of the blooms are done. Okay, and hmm, my sunflowers have grown, although one is left. And they have grown big. I think they will produce a big flower. There. Okay, and I need to remove some of those weeds. But I better start with those grass mounds. Okay. So I am done with the left front garden side. So I will start cleaning the driveway. Uh, I'm uh, I'm lazy to get the blower, so I will just sweep them away. But anyway, it's just a little bit. Just to keep the driveway nice and clean. I'm just sweeping the little grass cuttings that scattered here in the driveway. Okay, after 3 hours, the garden looks better. No more mounds of grass. And I also cleaned the driveway and also did some deadheading and removed the the bush that has done blooming. But first, let me show this rose. I'm so happy with how it looks. Really very good. I'm so happy. I put a sort of a trellis behind the yarrow so it will not crowd the rose. And happy also with this rose. So I removed the beetle. I hope there's none inside. I sprayed yesterday. So hopefully, even if there's something inside, it's killed by my spray in the blue hydrangea. Ah, so I removed the bushes at the back. So it's clear now. And my hydrangea, the only bud here, is starting to bloom. There's only one bud. So sad. I was wishing for more buds. So, coneflower, hydrangea, getting ready to bloom, and my dahlia. It has a bud, so that's supposed to be orange. Okay, now I will transfer here at the back. Uh, my husband said uh, there were cuttings here or munch, but I've seen that before. That was before I sprayed. Oh no, this one is new, so I'd better spray again. Ha 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 ha. Those bunnies are not so cute anymore. They are eating the, what do you call that? Those buds of the sedum. But I hope there's still time for them to grow buds. Okay, so I'd better spray some anti-rabbit and remove some of these weeds. So that's new, this one. Ha ha ha. And they're not even eating it. Maybe it's the baby experimenting. Okay, so I'd better spray again.